In less than 3 weeks, voters will select the first woman to be Maricopa County Attorney. Republican and incumbent Alistair Adele facing off against her challenger, Democrat Julie Gunnigal. Both are running on platforms that promise reform, but they have very different opinions on how to do that. ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing joins us now to explain.
The Maricopa County Attorney's Office is actually the third largest prosecutorial agency in America. It's a race that shouldn't be overlooked, and right now the major focus in this race, criminal justice reform.
Alistair Adele and Julie Gunnigal. Before we tell you more about them, here's how we got here. Last September, County Attorney Bill Montgomery left to go to the Arizona Supreme Court. So in October, Adele was appointed by the County Board of Supervisors to finish the term. The race presents a significant opportunity for change, so much that the ACLU of Arizona is making a record investment of $850,000 in the race. Now, it's not to endorse either candidate, but to educate voters about them.
Vote for Maricopa County Attorney.
Of the many issues, two are drawing most of the attention: police accountability and sentencing reform for low-level drug offenses. When it comes to cops, both candidates believe all officers should have body cameras.
But in the wake of the murder of George Floyd and the death of Deion Johnson, it was timely for me to come forward with this letter, again imploring the mandated use of body-worn cameras for all uniformed officers in the field.
The question that everyone is asking is, why now? She was appointed in October and she was silent on this issue. Body cameras are just good policy.
Studies and statistics show Phoenix police shoot and kill citizens at a higher rate than almost any other police department in the country. Gunnigal believes police shootings and misconduct cases should be assigned to an independent unit separate from other prosecutors. As for Adele, she's continued to use an internal critical incident review team, but she's added community members.
And I made sure that we put 4 on this particular committee: minorities, defense investigators, law school professors, but we're not releasing their identity for their security and confidentiality purposes.
That these decisions continue to be made behind closed doors and subject to non-disclosure agreements continues to erode public trust.
As a main focus of Gunnigal's campaign, she's promising to stop prioritizing the prosecution of low-level drug offenses and instead increase diversion programs. Within 4 years, she's set a goal of reducing the county's incarceration rate by 26%, in line with the national average. Adele has not issued firm targets, but she has also made changes for drug offenses. She eliminated fees in the diversion program, gave prosecutors more discretion to make plea deals, and publicly posted MCAO's plea deal policies to show a, quote, treatment-first approach. Both candidates spoke about these issues during a recent debate with our news partner, KTAR Radio.
Because once somebody is institutionalized, they're at a much higher rate to repeat their crimes and recidivate. These crimes are often being committed by those who have mental health issues, drug addictions, and that's why we've created a diversion program.
Arizona is the 5th largest incarcerator in the country, and that makes us the 8th largest incarcerator in the world. We spend $28,000 a year-ish for every person who is behind bars. And that's a legacy that we just can't continue.
Now, ABC 15 reporters have interviewed both candidates multiple times about multiple issues. One of the key issues we've covered has to do with Brady lists, the lists used to track lying and criminal cops. We've put together a list of recent stories and interviews so you can quickly find them. It's all at the top of the page right now at abc15.com/investigators. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.